Dignitaries, esteemed members of the staff, and my dear students. 77th Republic Day greetings to you all. Today marks a day we honor our Constitution and our country's democratic identity. We call ourselves a sovereign democratic republic because on this day in the year 1950, our Constitution came into being. Though I think it was adopted on November 26, 1949 as spoken by the two girls here. Do you know the reason? Though it was adopted on 26th of November 1949, why did we wait till January 26th to actually get into action? The reason, children, is January 26th is a very significant day. In the year 1930, it was the day when we had called for Purna Swaraj, or complete independence. And hence, we pledged that we would be out of British rule completely. The President replaced the Governor General and Constitution became the supreme law of our land. Dear students, we as citizens of India need to uphold the values written in our Constitution. These values of equality, liberty, justice and fraternity are the values that we need to abide by and follow. This year, the theme for Republic Day is 150 years of Vande Mataram. The song penned by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee inspired generations of freedom fighters. But not only those freedom fighters, I think even today it inspires all of us. As we stand and sing it, I think we all feel the goosebumps. The theme, 150 years of Vande Mataram, is also going to be depicted through the Republic Day parade that I want all of you to go home and watch, because there will be around 30 tableaus on display signifying our rich culture and history. So I request you all to go home and definitely watch the parade on Kartavya Path. I appreciate and congratulate all the teachers and students who put up a grand show here. Though the show was small, I think it conveyed the patriotic spirit in the right manner. Also remember, students, the theme that you're going to watch in the parade also is going to project Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar Bharat is about we being self-reliant and self-sufficient in all ways possible. So you can look for all the various tableaus showcasing the advancements in defense, technology, innovation, leading to self-reliance. Let's also promise one more thing. Let's use only Indian goods and promote Make in India, because it's only through that we can become self-reliant soon. Let's remember our glorious past and work for our ambitious future. Dear teachers, as educators and change makers, let's ensure that these constitutional values stick beyond the textbook learning. We can inspire students to think critically, question judiciously, and treat each other with respect. So their actions reflect these values of our Constitution, and they feel the sense of responsibility towards our Constitution and country. Thank you all, and Happy Republic Day once again. Jai Hind.